Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's quick learning, we will go through the data cleaning and the pivot in Excel. So here we can see set of data having year, online platforms, city, product and sales. You can see in column number D and E, these columns are good to go because entire data is filled. However, in column A, B, C, there are some data missing. So we need to add those data. To add those data, you will be doing copy paste or control D, which will be time consuming. Now, how to add that data? You will select the first cell where your value is, scroll down and do shift from your keyboard and select the last value. So entire column is selected, okay. And now we need to select only the blank one. So for that you will press Ctrl G from your keyboard, or you will go to the option as go to from home tab, and after doing Ctrl G you will go under special and go for option as blanks, and we will select the blank cells. Now blank cells are selected. Now you can add the top value by doing equal to, but no need to click anywhere, like selection should be at the same place. Just do equal to sign from your keyboard, press equal to, like equal to is typed here, okay. Equal to, do up arrow from your keyboard, like top value is selected. After that you will press control enter, so that this will fill to the lower part too, okay. Similarly, try with this data. You will select the top cell, and then the bottom one is shift and click. This one is selected, and now do Control G. Go to the blank values. Okay, blanks are selected. From your keyboard, you will press equal to, up arrow, and you will do Control Enter. Same way we can try for this data. Okay, Control G and select the blanks. Okay, and do equal to, up arrow and control enter. Now entire data is ready. Next step is I want to create a pivot for top two online platform sales. For that you will select the table. You can do control shift right arrow. Entire table got selected, like column got selected, and control shift is already pressed, so control shift and down arrow. No need to select the total sales, just the data, and this data is selected. And to insert pivot you will click under insert pivot table, where you want to insert pivot in new sheet or existing one. So I'm just going for the existing. Let's create pivot here. So existing one under cell G11. Okay, pivot is ready. We want pivot for online platform. So online platform comes under row and total sales. From this total online platform, I want only the top two platform sales. So top two, you will click under row label, values, and you will go for the option as top 10. Instead of top 10, you will type here top 2. And if you want sum of sales or count average, you can select accordingly. So we are going for sum of sales and okay. So top two sales are from Amazon and Zepto. This was the quick learning. Let's summarize these steps. Okay, this is your data. So to select the first cell, you will do shift, select that cell, go down, like scroll down, and you will select the last cell using shift. The entire data will get selected, and you will all go to the option as, you will use the option as go to or control G and press equal to sign, up arrow, and do control arrow. It will fill the entire data like it is filled here, and after that you can create pivot like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.